video I'm showing you how to make orange and caramel blender cake. Talk about fragrant, sweet and delicious. Even better with some ice cream. You can find a reel on how to make it a few reels back, but this is how you make it. Butter one tin and line the other. Make sure it's well buttered. Add 1 can of condensed milk. Preheat your oven 180 degrees. Blend 1 orange. Once blended, you're going to add then 200 grams of softened butter. Once that's blended, you're going to add 1 cup of sugar and blend. Then you're going to add 3 eggs, blending in between. Once all blended, you're going to add to a bowl. Then you're adding 2 cups of self-rising flour sifted. Fold in the flour. You could use 1 tin or 2 tins, up to you. Evenly add the mixture over both tins and you're going to bake for half an hour. Simple as that, guys. And just like that, it's baked and out of the oven. I'm going to now frost it with some cream cheese, lemon and passion fruit frosting. And there you go, guys. Cheers!